Hi, this is a short demonstration of custom formulas for iPhone. When you open the app, you'll see that there's already some examples: slope percentage, compound interest, and point scale factor. So let's have a look at compound interest. So this is the standard financial formula for calculating the time value of money. So here's the formula we've entered. Now, if we press the Go button, we can enter the value, we can run that formula, we can enter the values. For example, $1,000 is principal, annual interest rate of 5%, and compounding 12 times a year for 10 years. And then we can compute how much money we'd have at the end of that period, so $1,647. So you can also enter formulas of your own. So it's recommended that you have create your own category. So there's a category called My Formulas by default that's added, but you can add your own categories as well. And then you can add a formula group inside the category. So I'm going to enter body mass index as the formula. So we press the plus button to add that formula. Then we can enter the standard body mass index formula using metric units. So body mass index equals weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. So we use the up arrow symbol for the power of. So that's how we square the height. Okay, now we've entered the formula, we can immediately go back and then press the Go button, and that will allow us to enter the values and compute the result. So we enter a weight in kilograms, so 87 kilos, and a height in meters, 1.88 meters, and compute. So that gives you a body mass index of 24.6. So the healthy range is 18.5 to 24.5 or so. So now we can improve on that by editing the input and output variables using the down arrow button as the input variables. So we can edit that to make it a bit nicer to view. So weight in kilograms, we'll put that in brackets to make it look nicer when you're using the formula, and then height in meters, we do the same with that. Okay, so we can also set the display order. So in this case, the height field was the second field, so its display order was 2, and the weight field has a display order of 1. So that's the way we want it, so we'll just leave those. Then we can go back and we choose the up arrow button, and that is the output variable. So in this case it's called BMI, which is fine. So we don't really want to change that, but we can change, so the display order is 1, so it's the first output field, that's fine. And then we can change the precision with the last button there. So we probably only want 1 digit of precision instead of 8, which is the default. Okay, so now that we've made those changes, we can go back and run the formula again, and it will have a nicer appearance then with those changes. So there we go, weight in kilos, height in meters. And now if we enter the values again, we'll just see the different precision in the output. There we go. So that's how you enter your own formula. It's pretty straightforward. And there's help available with listing all the possible functions that you can also include in the equations. But let's have a look at point scale factor, which is a surveying formula. This is quite a complex one because it's got 3 different formulas, and the first 2 formulas, their output is fed into the second one. So CSF there is equal to PSF times HF. So you can feed the output of formulas into other formulas to give you a integrated result. So here we go, we'll enter an easting of 300,000 meters and a height of 100 meters and compute the three output variables there. Okay, so that is custom formulas for iPhone. Hope you found this video useful, and I hope you find the app useful. Thanks a lot for watching.